As a result of their activities, companies emit greenhouse gases called GHGs. Air Liquide, like all companies with more than 500 employees in France, reports its emissions every year. How do we do it? We refer to the GHG Protocol's reference system, which lists the GHGs to be taken into account: carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, hydrofluorocarbons, perfluorocarbons, and sulfur hexafluoride. These emissions are reported in CO2 equivalent. In fact, each GHG has a corresponding global warming potential known as the GWP. This compares the contribution of a GHG to CO2. For example, the GWP of methane is 30. It has a warming potential 30 times greater than CO2 over 100 years. The emissions reported are divided into 3 scopes. Scope 1 includes direct emissions coming from our assets or those under our control, mainly SMR, cogeneration units, and gas transportation. Scope 2 includes indirect emissions related to the generation of energy such as electricity and heat, which we mainly use for our ASUs. Scope 3 covers 15 categories of indirect emissions, including, for example, purchases of goods and services, employee travel, and the use of products sold by the group. Air Liquide also publishes the emissions avoided by its customers through the use of its products and operational efficiency. For example, when customers use oxygen to produce steel, they consume less energy and less coal than when they use air, thus reducing their CO2 emissions. In the same way, when customers entrust Air Liquide with the production of their gases, they are produced using less energy because the group has a long-standing expertise and adapted solutions. Air Liquide is committed to reducing its environmental footprint, developing low-carbon solutions with its customers for industry, and building new ecosystems for a low-carbon society. With Air Liquide, we act in our company, with our customers, for the planet.